So I decided to go on a hike. I don't know where I'm going. I am venturing up to the eastern side of the island in search of water. Some kind of a waterfall or a beach or something. I don't know, but let's see what we find. I'm using my tripod as my walking stick because my back is not good. It's not okay. Today for sure is going to be the most unplanned, or how do you say it? Unconventional? Winged? I'm winging it. We'll figure it out. Today's going to be a true adventure. Let's see how it turns out. Let me just show you guys the view. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna miss it. Okay, so our hike is taking us into a bus. We're getting a ride. We don't know how far the ride is going, but we're gonna go. We're gonna see. We're gonna figure it out.
You baking? Why say you naked?
Yo.
Like I said, I know that. Wow. I thought they said you're naked now.
I've been Christmas lighting tonight. Okay guys, so we've stopped in front of the junction to go to Concord Waterfalls, and we were told that there are multiple waterfalls on this route, so we're gonna walk up and figure it out. I was told that I should probably get a guide to take me, but I don't have one, so we're gonna figure that out. Hopefully one of the locals, or people from the area, is gonna be able to give me advice. If not, I will just walk all the way up and follow the river and figure it out. How hard can it be? Right now we're just gonna go to the ATM and see if we can get some cash for, water and just basic necessities. And then we're going to go up. Oh, shit. Okay, so we finally made it to Walltown. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It is so beautiful here. It's very loud. I hope that you guys can hear me clearly, but it is so like old town vibes. All of the buildings are clumped together, which is so unusual, and it looks like some of them are actually houses, which is so different. Everything is pretty much closed. The only things that are open are churches, but the road is pretty active, which I did not expect, that's for sure. There are people, so maybe there are houses where people actually live around here. I have no idea, but yeah. A lot more active than St. George's is on a Sunday, and St. George's is the capital, so that's different. We just drove through the rain, and it's not dry where we are.
Where the wind go flowing the rain.
The ground is dry. I don't know. Hopefully the wind takes it that way, because we need it to be dry where we're going. I mean, I personally don't mind either way, but I prefer for it to be dry where we're going. Okay. As you can see, it's actually definitely raining. Not pretty at all, but we're still gonna go. So we're gonna go into the shop right now and get some water and drinks, snacks, I guess, and then see how that goes. chicken is free. It's loose. So to get me some nuts for sustenance. So we're finally getting up to Concord. We just stopped at the store. I got some nuts, we got some water, and now we're heading up to the waterfall. We're gonna see how the weather's looking, regardless of I'm getting in. We're gonna look for a basin that I haven't actually been to before. So not the most different from usual, but the weather doesn't even permit for us to venture further into unknown territory. So we'll just stick to whatever we get. And we are here. We're finally to the base of Concord Waterfalls, where most people come with their tour guides and stuff. We are thinking about wanting to leave and go a little bit higher up. I'm not exactly sure as yet. Happening? Oh, this is the shot. Dong there, I wanna go. The frick? That's another fucking waterfall right here. That's another basin. There's a basin over there. I've flown the drone to be able to see it, but I see some barbed wire, so I don't know how far the barbed wire wants to go. So I want to see if we can go higher up. If not, I don't mind getting into this basin, but I feel like we'd have to go lower, cut through the bush, and come up. Mugs, jugs, is that a... Oh god, they're prepping you for spice rum. What? You can make your own spice rum, your own under the counter. I didn't know they have rice in it. That's interesting. Mix for spice rum if you want to put... Mix spice rum. To go in and check out the little spice shop that they had. They have some monkeys here in a cage, which I think is really, really sad. I don't know. Here. They're all in this little enclosure, and I personally am not for it. You know, like, sure, people want to see monkeys, but like, I do not want to see little babies. Look at them. At least they have like ability to swing around and stuff, but they're just locked up. I can't. And so many in such a small space. I want to take a look at the terrain and see what's the best point of entry. But I don't really feel like walking up and down the road to see if I can find where to go. So instead we're going to use the drone and figure it out.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it.
So we made it up to the top of the hill where the road ends, and we can now enter onto the river. We're gonna go upwards and find that rock we just saw on the drone. When you think you're doing something new, you have the track already make, eh? Someone has already done it. Well, I think I saw a house back here. Someone lives here. There's a whole bunch of mud. Oh, and dragonflies. Pretty. This is definitely what I wanted today. I woke up this morning. It's been a couple days now, actually. But I woke up this morning and I just felt in my spirit that today I have to go. I don't know where I'm going. I thought we were getting separated from the bush, from the water. There better be an exit from this bush. But I don't know where I'm going. But I definitely need to be in nature, somewhere near water, secluded away from society. Just living, existing, taking it in. And here I am. Okay, we found a track. We're gonna go down into the river. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Okay, okay, Spider-Man. I've spotted a jelly knot. For a coconut, so we're gonna attempt to get it. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, look at the lush vegetation. Okay, stick to the plan, stay the course. I see Zooty. I see Nettle. Flower petals. I see nettle and petals and okay. Oh, I see Kaka.
Just off in the fall, just before them to them shoes and all them things.
How are you?
Well, from Mars.
How are you? I'm sorry. Do you mind if I record you?
Imagine that. Yeah, man, idea.
Okay.
They stole a thousand. That's what they say, but we say, well,
It's farther?
but we don't know the way. That's the next thing.
Is this your house?
Yeah, well, that's the farmhouse. I don't really live.
Oh, you don't live here. Just have the wow. Okay, talk about luxury. I haven't seen this much in my life
Nice and cool.
since I was a child.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, that's the nutmeg, the cocoa, the clove. Where the clove? One. Something?
Ooh.
That's what you do in the jungle? You see all this?
Thank you.
You know what that from?
For me to eat scoop, yes.
Alright.
That's my spoon.
Alright. You want it wrong or you want it flat?
Flat.
Okay. Yeah, normally I pick my coconut like 3 days. Between 3 days before and 3 days after full moon.
Thank you.
Full moon?
3 days after the full moon?
When you pick any moon, that's why sometimes when you watch the trees, the nuts on the trees,
This-
small and hardy. Yeah, so the guys also, they don't choose in them after moon. Normally when you watch this also after people.
No, and this is the sweetest coconut I've ever had since being here. Try that.
After a period of time, so some could scarcely be any good stuff.
Oh my God.
People don't believe it, but it's yeah, all of them and all them brothers and them. You serious for man? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, you ready?
Could you please cut this open for me? Thank you.
Sure.
It was lovely to meet you.
Alright. Yeah, like, I'll be here for about okay.
Woo! Whoa! gone a little bit further up and we're still going. Woo! We found a little pond that we can finally actually swim in, because before, earlier, it was very rocky. We could sit down, but it really, woo, can't really swim. Okay. So, we're trying to see if we can find another mini waterfall. We see something in the distance that looks like it, but we're not there yet. So, let's see how it turns out. Oh, the rain has stopped, that's for sure. These rocks though, you know what I need? Those water shoes that look like socks.
Yeah.
And they cover like your toes. Oh wow. This is where we are. And if you can see in the distance, I can see it. I'm gonna find it. The rain is falling again, but I don't care. I'm going in the water anyway. And now we have made it to what we've been searching for. Whew. Wow. Our final view. We were able to bring the bags up and take a dip in this little pond right here. And then I'm going to go down over there to swim in this basin. And then we're going to go home because you see that mountain? It is set up to come down actually right now, so let's go.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
That was quite an adventure. We're finally down to Concord Falls, the main falls, which is right back in front of me. So I'm just gonna turn around so you can see it. It is quite a sight to behold and it's super freaking loud. But this water is 20 feet deep and a lot of people usually jump here, but a lot of people have also died. And I'm terrified of heights, so I'm not even gonna try. I've tried before and I've failed multiple times. I have gotten into the water before and it's actually really cold, but amazing because outside is usually very hot. But yeah, see for yourself. I don't know if you jump, but let me know in the comments. Jump from up here. They actually jump from right here. I have seen professionals jump from up there, but I wouldn't jump from either because the water goes very, very deep. There's rocks all on the sidelines, so you don't even know where you're gonna fall. I'm just gonna edge in and take a little dip before we go, and then head off. Okay guys, this is the final leg. We're gonna go make our way home. We have seen it all. We've done it all. And this adventure has come to an end. I'm so happy that I trusted myself and I came outside. It all worked out, honestly. And someone's actually gonna give us a lift home now. So yeah, but thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't done it yet, well, you know what to do. Bye.